A very good morning to everyone. I hope you all are doing fine. I hope you all are safe at home. So today is my shampoo day, and before shampooing your hair it's very important to oil your hair properly, and before oiling your hair it's very important to remove all the knots. Proper combing of hair before oiling your hair is very important, as it will remove all the knots from your hair and it will make your oiling process very smooth, especially those who have curly hair like I have. I have a curly hair texture, so I always love to comb my hair before I apply my oil. So I will love to use my all-time favorite oil, virgin coconut oil from Indus Valley, as a base hair oil. So I've poured a moderate amount of this coconut oil into my bowl, and then I would love to add. So I will use this virgin coconut oil as my base oil. Next I will add the Grow Out oil from Indus Valley. The brand name of this oil is from Bioorganic. You will get this oil in Nykaa and Amazon as well. Grow Out hair oil from Indus Valley. Grow Out hair oil from Indus Valley, and then I will add a few drops of Caffeine Green Tea Detox hair oil from. So you will get this hair oil in Amazon and Nykaa as well. Caffeine Green Tea Detox hair oil. Next I will add Indulekha Bhringaraj hair oil. It's an amazing oil. Add a few drops to the mix, and then I will add Khadi Bhringaraj hair oil. Proper massaging your hair is very important, because proper massaging your scalp with your fingertips improves the blood circulation into the hair follicles and reduces the chances of hair fall. So you can use your fingertips to properly massage your scalp while oiling your hair. Make sure the oil is evenly distributed from the roots to tips. Even distribution of the hair oil is also necessary. Massage your scalp as much as possible while oiling your hair. It will improve the blood circulation through the hair follicles and will reduces the chances of hair fall, and it will give a shiny luster to your hair. Then I think I'm almost done oiling my hair from roots to tips. Yes, I'm good to go. Now I will love to incubate this oil for at least 2 hours before I go for shampoo. So I will keep this hair oil for at least 2 hours before I shampoo my hair. Tie your hair once you have oiled your hair. So 2 hours incubation starts now. Don't forget to tie up your hair in a high bun. And also don't forget to face oil. So I've oiled up my face. Yes. Face oiling done. Shampoo is also done. So don't comb your hair after you have shampooed your hair unless your hair is 80% dry, because when you will comb your wet hair, it will increases the chances of hair fall. So comb your hair while your hair is 80% dry. So yes, it's shiny, smooth and beautiful. I used to shampoo 3 to 4 times a week. So I use a mild shampoo. I have used Grow Out shampoo from Indus Valley, and I have shampooed my hair with argan oil shampoo. So I have mixed these two shampoo In the sense, initially I applied Grow Out shampoo from Indus Valley to remove the excess oil, and then I've applied this Argan Oil shampoo. And now I will love to serum my hair with Vita-Rich Mom's Co hair serum. It's an amazing serum. Seruming your hair is also very important because it gives a boost of nutrients to the keratin fibers and makes your hair more shiny and lustrous. Vita-Rich hair serum from Mom's Co. So yes, I'm done for the day. Since I shampoo frequently over a week, so I love to use a mild herbal shampoo which has no harsh and harmful chemicals in it. So nowadays I'm using this shampoo from Indus Valley, and I avoid using conditioner as much as possible. It's better to use hair mask over conditioner because conditioner usage actually increases the chance of hair fall. Yes, so I'm happy and my hair is looking nice. Okay. So stay safe, stay at home, and make sure to sanitize your hands, your surroundings. Use mask if you go out. See you soon.